Question number 5. F of x kuduthirukku. I need to prove that f dash of 1 equals 100 times f dash of 0. So first I'll find f dash of x, okay? This is not using the first principle. They have not mentioned anything. So namakku therinjadha vechi nama pannalam. So what do you know? D by dx of x to the n equals the power comes down and the power gets reduced by 1. Correct? So I'm going to do that here. So f dash of x is equal to first d by dx of first term. Correct? I can split f of x plus g of x derivative is f dash of x plus g dash of x. I can split it, right? So it will be 100 plus d by dx of x to the 99 divided by 99 and so on, d by dx of x square divided by 2 plus d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1. Okay, the derivative of a constant is 0, so this term becomes a 0. So what happens to the other terms? X to the 100 irukku, so I have a constant 100. I am taking that outside times the power comes down 100 x to the power enagum 100 minus 1, which is 99, plus idu enagum I have 1 by 99. I'll take the constant outside the derivative. I have the power comes down 99 x to the power 98. 99 minus 1 is 98, plus and so on. I have 1 by 2, the constant. I'll take it outside times 2 into x power 1 minus 1 item, the power comes down, plus I have a constant. I do not have any constant here. X power 1, so the 1 comes down. I'll have x to the power 0 plus 0. Okay, so here 100 and 100 will get cancelled. 99, 99, 2 and 2. So what do I have? X to the 99 plus x to the 98 plus and so on plus x plus 1 plus 0. Okay, so this is my f dash of x. So now what is my f dash of 1? F dash of 1 is 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus 1 plus 1. So how many ones do I have? 99 lende 1 varaikum I have 99 terms plus 1. So I have 100 terms. So sum of 100 ones enna 100. Okay, and what is f dash of 0? I have to substitute 0 for wherever I have x. So I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 except this. So I have a 1 here. So this is 1. So what do I have to prove? F dash of 1 is 100 times f dash of 0. What is my f dash of 0? Which is 1, which is 100. So this is equal to f dash of 1, hence proved. Okay. Question number 6. F of x is the given function. I need to find the derivative where a is real value or a constant. So I have d by dx of x to the n is nothing but nx to the n minus 1. Correct? இப்போ ஒரு term க்கு பண்ண வேண்டியதான். F dash of x is nothing but the n comes down x to the n minus 1 plus a is a constant. I have it. Then the power comes down n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 minus 1, which becomes n minus 2 plus a square. The power comes down, so n minus 2 x to the power n ago minus 1, which is minus 3 plus and so on. I have a constant a n minus 1. The power comes down, so it is a 1 times x to the 1 minus 1, which is 0, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So what am I left with? N times x to the n minus 1 plus a into n minus 1 x to the n minus 2 plus a square n minus 2 x to the n minus 3 and so on, a to the n minus 1. Okay, so this is my final answer. Seventh question. I have f of x which is in terms of product. Correct? So this is one function, this is another function. So this is of the form u into v. Appa Leibniz product rule enna? uv dash or a derivative which is uv the whole prime or the whole dash gives me v u dash plus u v dash. Okay, so what is my u? X minus a. V and x minus b. They have given a and b are some constants. Okay, so that is the constant. Derivative of a constant is 0. Always remember. So in that u dash and derivative of x is 1 plus 0. V ke derivative of x v dash. Derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of a constant is 0. So now I have to substitute in the formula. F dash of x and v u dash, which is x minus b into u dash 1 plus u v dash, which is x minus a into 1. So this will be x minus b plus x minus a. So this is nothing but 2x minus b minus a. That's the answer. Okay. Now, second subsection. F of x kuduthirukku, f dash of x. First I'll open the bracket. So I have f of x equals a square x power 4 plus b square plus 2a x square b. Okay, a plus b the whole square. Now, f dash of x. Constant a square comes out. I have x power 4. So, the power comes out. X becomes 4 minus 1, which is 3. Plus, b is the constant. So, b square may constant. So, the derivative of a constant is 0. So, I have plus 0 plus 2ab is a constant. X square irukke. So, the 2 comes out. And x or the power becomes 2 minus 1, which is 1. So, what is my final answer? 4a square x cube plus 2 2s are 4. So, 4ab x. Okay. Third subsection, f of x is x minus a divided by x minus b. Okay, it is very similar to this, but inge product, inge quotient. So, using Leibniz quotient rule, what do I have? F dash of x equals v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. So, what is my v? It is the same as this. Correct? So, I have u equals x minus a, v equals x minus b, u dash is 1, v dash is 1. So, substituting it in the formula, f dash of x is v u dash, which is x minus b into 1 minus u v dash, which is x minus a into 1, which is x minus a, divided by v square. V square na x minus b the whole square. So, bracket open panna enna agum? X minus b minus x plus a divided by x minus b the whole square. X and the minus x gets cancelled. So, I will be left with a minus b divided by x minus b the whole square. Okay. 8th question. F of x is given to be this. I need to find the derivative. So, it is f dash of x. This is the quotient rule. So, this is u divided by v. So, what is my u? X to the n minus a to the n. My v is x minus a. So, u dash and n x to the n minus 1. A is a constant. So, the derivative of a constant is 0. V dash becomes 1. So, what is my formula? F dash of x is v u dash minus uv dash divided by v square. V comes first without a derivative. So, this is v u dash, substitute panna x minus a times u dash and nx to the n minus 1 minus uv dash, which is x to the n minus a to the n times 1 divided by v square, which is x minus a the whole square. So, brackets multiply panna, I have n x to the n minus 1 into x. So, it will be x to the n minus 1. X na the powers get added up. So, it will be x to the n. So, I have nx to the n minus a n x to the n minus 1. I am opening the bracket. So, I have minus x to the n plus a to the n divided by x minus a the whole square. Nothing can get cancelled. So, this is your final answer. Okay. Question number 9. F of x is this. So, f dash of x is derivative of 2x and 2 minus derivative of constant is a 0. So, I will have 2. Okay, very simple. Second subsection, f of x is this. So, I can either multiply the two, bracket open panni, multiply panni or single term kondu vandu pannalam, or I see that this is in the term of a product. So, product rule use panna, u equals 5x cube plus 3x minus 1, v equals x minus 1. So, u dash and 5 3s are 15. X to the power 2, correct? 3 comes down, it gets multiplied with 5 and the power gets reduced by 1. So, 15x square plus in the 3. And what is my v dash? Simply 1. Okay, so formula and f dash of x is v u dash plus u v dash. Okay, division quotient rule minus varum, product you have a plus. So, when I substitute the values, I will have v x minus 1 times u dash 15 x square plus 3 plus uv dash, which is 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. So, this is equal to, I am going to multiply the brackets, 15x cube plus 3x minus 15x square minus 3 plus, I will open the bracket, 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. If x cube terms club panna, 20x cube, x square I only have minus 15x square, x terms I have 3x plus 3x. So, I have plus 6x, then minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4. Okay. Question number 9, third subsection, again using the product rule. So, product and this is my u, this is my v. So, u equals x to the minus 3, v equals 5 plus 3x. So u dash and the power comes down and the power gets reduced by minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. V dash and 5 constant is, so constant of derivative 0. Here I have 3x. So 3 times x over derivative is 1. So I have u dash and v dash. So what is the formula? V u dash plus u v dash plus, okay, don't get confused. So v u dash will be v u dash. So it will be 5 plus 3x times minus 3x to the minus 4. Bracket podunga. Illati you think it's 5 plus 3x minus 3x to the minus 4 nu nanipinga. Okay, put a bracket u v dash. So I have x to the minus 3 times v dash, which is 3. So when I multiply, I have 5 3s are 15. So minus 15 x to the minus 4 minus 3 3s are 9. X to the, I have x to the 1 and I have x to the minus 4. So if the bases are same, I can add the powers. So x to the 1 minus 4, which is x to the minus 3. Okay, so x to the minus 3 plus 3 times x to the minus 3. So I have x to the minus 3, x to the minus 3. I can add the coefficients. So what do I have? Minus 15 x to the minus 4 minus 9 plus 3, which is minus 6 to the power x to the power minus 3. Okay. Fourth subsection, again using the product rule. So I have, this is my u, this is my v. So u x to the 5, v 3 minus 6x to the minus 9. So u dash and the power comes down, power gets reduced by 1. So 5x to the 4. In the v dash and 3 is a constant. So other derivative 0. I have minus, the power comes down, minus 9. It comes down along with the sign. Veru 9 mattum varadu. Minus oda sendu varum. So minus 9. X to the power becomes minus 1. So minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So what is this? 9x to the minus 10. Minus into minus becomes plus. So the formula na f dash of x is vu dash plus uv dash. So vu dash na 3 minus 6x to the minus 9 times 5x to the 4 plus uv dash, which is x to the 5 times 9x to the minus 10. Okay. When I open the brackets, 5 3s are 15, x to the 4, minus 6 5s are 30, x to the minus 9, x to the 4, up x to the minus 9 plus 4, which is x to the minus 5, plus 9x to the, in that it is x to the 5, x to the minus 10. So again it's plus 5, minus 10, which is minus 5. So I now go 15, x to the 4, minus 21, x to the minus 5. Okay. You can also further write them as minus 15 divided by x power 4 minus 6 divided by x cube. This is 15 x power 4 minus 21 divided by x power 5. Okay, you can write it like this. Fifth question. This is also in terms of product. Correct? So this is my u, this is my v. So I have u equals x to the minus 4, v equals 3 minus 4x to the minus 5. So u dash and the power comes down and the power gets reduced by minus 1. So this becomes minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. Okay. V dash equals, derivative of constant is 0, minus I have plus 20x to the minus 6. Okay. You have to be very quick while doing such questions. So v u dash, u v dash. So f dash of x equals v u dash, which is 3 minus 4x to the minus 5 times 4x to the minus 5 plus uv dash. So it is x to the minus 4 times 20x to the minus 6. So this open panna nagum 4 3s are 12x to the minus 5 minus 16x to the minus 10. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 plus I have 20x to the minus 10. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. So in the rendu term you club pannalama. So I have 12x to the minus 5 plus 4x to the minus 10. Minus 16 plus 20 is plus 4. So I have 12 divided by x power 5 plus 4 divided by x to the 10. Okay. Next, you have division 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. So division panna u divided by v and u divided by v. Okay. So I have u equals 2, v equals x plus 1. This is for the first term. So u dash and 0. V dash is 1. Okay, so this is for the first term. Second term ku u equals x square, v equals 3x minus 1. So u dash and 2x, the power comes down. V dash and 3. Okay, so I have f dash of x is vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. Correct? So now I have two different terms. This is one term and this is another term split by minus. So f dash of x enna go 2 by x plus 1. So I'll have vu dash which is 0 minus uv dash which is minus of uv dash 2 times 1. So it will be 2 divided by v square which is x plus 1 the whole square. Correct? Minus I have the second term. I need to find the derivative of the second term. What will it be? vu dash. So it will be vu dash which is 2x times 3x minus 1 minus of uv dash. uv dash and 3 into x square. So I have 3 into x square divided by v square which is 3x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, you understand? F of x minus g of x on the f dash of x minus g dash of x. But f dash of x say another, this is a division and this is also a division. Correct? So you're using the Leibniz quotient rule which is vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. Okay, so now you simply have to solve them. So I have minus 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole square minus of, put a bracket. Okay, you have a minus sign. Be very careful when you have minus. So the multiply panna 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square divided by 3x minus 1 the whole square. 6x square minus 3x square and go 3x square. So I have minus 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole square minus of 3x square minus 2x divided by 3x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so this is my final answer. Maybe if you want you can take the x outside, but it is of no use. Maybe for it to look nice I can take it outside. So minus of x into 3x minus 2 divided by 3x minus 1 the whole square. Okay.